Automated feeding systems ensure a precise total mixed ration for optimal herd health. As the cows enter the milking facility, they pass through this automated hoof sanitation station, where rotating brushes and disinfectant remove dirt. Overhead footage reveals the remarkable efficiency of the giant rotary parlor. Automated gates ensure a continuous flow, demonstrating perfect organization. The massive rotary system, combined with advanced AI and robotic clusters, processes the herd with unparalleled precision. Through the use of advanced AI and laser sensors, the milking process is now fully automated. A massive rotary carousel, where hundreds of Holstein cows are milked simultaneously. The robots utilize precision spray nozzles to apply a food-grade sanitizing solution, ensuring perfect hygiene before milking. Immediately following milking, these automated robotic nozzles apply a protective food-grade disinfectant, ensuring excellent udder health before the cow exits the system. A continuous flow of creamy Guernsey milk is propelled through this intricate network. Powerful automated pumps and thousands of liters of fresh Holstein milk flow continuously through this vast network, regulated by powerful pumps and This automated system minimizes contamination risks, delivering samples straight to the laboratory for detailed analysis.
The AI quality metrics are holding steady at 99.8%. Good. Check the refrigeration levels on line 3.
The system continuously monitors critical data, ensuring perfect temperature and pressure at every stage. Thousands of liters of fresh milk are pumped through these stainless steel arteries every hour, precisely regulated by powerful sanitary pumps. Utilizing AI-powered sensors, we continuously monitor the milk's fat consistency, pressure, and temperature in real time, ensuring peak quality. Check the flow rate on H3. It's holding steady. Temperatures look good across the board. Molds, where a precise burst of compressed air inflates them instantly. The synchronized rotary filler operates at incredible speed, monitored continuously by advanced AI systems. Inside this massive cold storage facility, AI-driven systems manage the staggering inventory, ensuring optimal freshness around the clock. The refrigerated trucks arrive, and automated systems immediately begin unloading the milk pallets. Robotic forklifts then transport the products into the temperature-controlled warehouse. Here in the fully automated warehouse, AI logistics software coordinates thousands of deliveries with exceptional speed and efficiency.